Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is oven range burners and with the char boilers on the side. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length is about like 60 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like 32 inches. And the overall tall, they are almost about like 59.5 inches tall in total. So as we can see, the units, they coming with the full burners on the side and char boilers on the other side. And we can see the separate the two control zones. And we're having the ovens at the bottoms. When you open it, we have two split doors. And also they come in with the individual controllers for each of the burner. And also have the ovens controllers on that side too. And the one located right here. And also let me give the dimensions for the burner side. This unit is coming with the full burners. And the burning space is about like 2 feet deep, about like 24 inches. And the length also about like 24 inches too. For each of the individual burners, we can see the inner side. So each burner place about like 1 feet 12 inches and 12 inches wide. On the other hand, we can see the char boilers on the other side. And the cooking area, it is about like 36 inches wide and the 20.5 inches deep. And also we can see the front top of this area, they have a small hose. You can collect all the dirt, come into this drawer and pull it out to clean it. And for this one, the oven space, it is about like 24 inches deep and 26 inches wide. And the clearance height, it's about like 14 inches tall. As we can see the controller on the other side, they come in with a maximum of about like 500 degrees. And for the small area, on the left hand, it is about like 20.5 inches wide, 24 inches deep as well. Clearance of the head is about like 14 inches too. They have an individual controller at these positions and the 500 degrees maxima on this controller too. And also from the manufacturers, they come in with the regulators and the connection pads and behinds. They give you the notify the gas entries. And also they come in with the ETL sanitation stickers. From the manufacturer manual books, they give you the converter kit for the propane. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.